What's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to Cuba. In my last video, I went down on the beach, now the beach area and the mangroves, and looked for some birds and had a pretty good time. Now, last night, something crazy happened. I didn't get it on GoPro, but a friggin' peregrine falcon landed so close to the pool area when there was so much noise happening, and he just stayed completely still. I got some eye-level shots, got to get real close. It was amazing. But this morning we're headed to a place that I found the other day. There's a really swampy bog area about 2 resorts down. So that's Pesquero Beach, and not the next resort, but the one after that. There's a bog area, and I went there the other day. There wasn't the best light, but I saw so many birds, the most I've ever seen here. So today I'm taking you back on the head mount. Let's go. So I'm just crossing the bridge where I took the sunrise photos, and there's 3 herons instead of 2 this time. So I'm gonna get a couple shots here. Wow, so behind me I can hear all the birds at the bog. This is crazy. So that was only like a 15-minute walk. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the head and we'll get going. Morning. Morning. It's a great blue heron we have in Canada. It's a greater yellow legs. We have those. But look at this. This is wild. So many birds. There's another yellow legs over there. It's a blue-winged teal. There's one that we have in Canada. I forget how to pronounce it. There's the great blue right there. Cool reflection of him. There's a little tricolored one right there.
Hi.
Morning. Let's go. It's a cool shot of the big blue. Where did this little guy go? He's right here. A lot of these I saw the other day, but a lot of them were lifers, so this is an amazing place. Here's the yellow legs. That is definitely not a lifer in Cuba, but pretty cool. All the egrets up in the tree. There's a blackbird there.
Oh, this is the Sigma 150, 600?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's a crop
This
sensor,
is the sport
so
or the
contemporary.
Contemporary?
Yeah.
That was good. I got one. I got a before the 7D Mark II. A few years ago. And you have a range for 750, eh? I think so.
With this?
With this, yeah.
960.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 1.6 times
it's a
600.
1.6. Oh, right.
Yeah, so it gets nice and zoomed in.
Yeah, sure.
I don't know what that little yellow bird is. Oh, it's a yellow warbler.
I haven't actually seen one in Cuba yet.
Are you working with Lightroom, Photoshop, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you know about this before you came? Like this area?
Yeah. That was
Have to.
5 years I'm coming here.
Okay, yeah.
But in September, no birds.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's really quiet at the hotel.
What is that?
Yeah, not too much tourists. You know, it's.
Oh yeah, there's a pelican right there. Yeah, right,
Yeah.
straight through.
But it looks like a statue.
Yeah. There's a couple of green-winged teals or blue-winged teals. Morning.
Right.
Green heron right here. That's what I was just shooting. He's not looking at me though. A little warbler. Trying to see if there's anything different down here. Another heron. Another yellow legs. Look at all these egrets over here though. Those are snowy egrets, the black bill. And then that's a great egret, the huge one, with the snowy one to its right. And then we have the little cattle ones that we've seen a lot of. These little tiny ones. So That's crazy. There's so many. Must be where they all come to chill in the morning and feed, and then they go to the resorts. Oh my god. That's cool. There's a couple killdeers here. I guess they're so small that they're almost phased out of the bog area. Wow, pretty crazy, right? That bog is awesome. Glad I found that. That's why you should use Google Maps and satellite imagery before you go to a place if you're looking for something. As soon as I saw still water, I figured that'd be a good spot. Those folks I met from Quebec have been coming here for 5 years because of it, so lots of birders I think go to these couple resorts on Pesquero Beach. A bunch of these blackbirds here. Oh, cool. I think that's a black and blue warbler. I haven't seen one of those yet in Cuba. I think I've seen one once in Canada, unless it could be something else. He's right down in there's trees. It's not terrible. That one's better. Ooh. That's another different warbler right there. And two of those thrushes. That's cool. To get those two together. There's the same bird. Kingbird. Now where did that green warbler go? Oh, there's another one in the fence. Cool. It's one of those mockingbirds. Wow. That was a great little spot. This corner right here, just saw 4 or 5 different types of birds in a span of 5 minutes. Beauty. What I'd give to just jump in that right now. We'll see if the herons are still here on the beach, but I doubt it. Cool. There he goes. Alright, so I'm back at the resort. I gotta go shower, have some breakfast, and then I think I'm getting on a bus with the family. So thanks for watching. Great time. What a beautiful spot. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll probably do at least one more while I'm in Cuba. Then it'll be back to Canada. A couple months till spring. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content. And thanks again for watching.